If I told you that one of the greatest tragedies in history was not just an accident? What if I told you that more than 1,500 people died on a ship that people believed not even God himself could sink? In 1912, the legendary passenger ship RMS Titanic was considered one of the greatest engineering achievements of its time. But during its very first voyage across the Atlantic Ocean, history changed forever. Because in just one night, the Titanic disappeared into the depths of the Atlantic Ocean. And even today, more than 100 years later, people still ask the same question: what really happened that night? So let's go back to the beginning. Welcome to my channel. At the beginning of the 20th century, the Titanic represented human power and technological progress. It was the largest and most luxurious ship ever built at that time. The ship had expensive restaurants, swimming pools, grand staircases, and luxury cabins. Rich businessmen, immigrants searching for new lives, and famous passengers were all traveling together. Everyone believed that this ship was impossible to sink. But on April 14, 1912, everything changed. That night was unusually calm. There was almost no wind on the ocean. Some survivors later said the ocean felt strange that night, too quiet, almost like something bad was about to happen. At 11:40 p.m., the lookout suddenly spotted something ahead of the ship, an iceberg. The crew immediately tried to turn the ship, but the Titanic was too large and moving too fast. The ship struck the iceberg on its right side. The iceberg created long hidden damage below the waterline. Passengers could not see the danger because the ship was slowly sinking beneath the water, silently. The crew then started preparing the lifeboats, but here is one of the most shocking facts about the Titanic disaster. There were not enough lifeboats for everyone on board. Some lifeboats were launched into the ocean half empty. Why? Because passengers had been told that the ship was unsinkable. People simply refused to believe that the ship was actually sinking. Families were separated. Parents were searching for their children in the darkness. Some passengers wrote final letters to their loved ones. The ship's band continued playing music to calm the passengers. Many survivors later said the music gave them courage during their final moments. But the musicians also knew what was coming, because chaos was spreading across the ship. Emergency radio signals were sent into the dark Atlantic Ocean. They tried to contact nearby ships for help, but help was still hours away. That night, the water of the Atlantic Ocean was freezing cold. If passengers fell into the water, survival was only possible for a few minutes. Some historians believe design mistakes made the disaster even worse. Others believe iceberg warnings were ignored. There are also many conspiracy theories about the Titanic. Some people believe there were economic or political motives behind the disaster, but there is still no final proof. At around 2:20 a.m., the Titanic slowly began to break apart. The lights on the ship started going out one by one. Then the great ship disappeared beneath the Atlantic Ocean. Around 1,500 people lost their lives that night. Only about 700 people survived. Even today, the wreck of Titanic still lies deep under the ocean, more than 12,000 feet below sea level, frozen in time, like a memory that history can never forget. The Titanic disaster was not just a tragedy, it was a warning about human pride, about technology, and about the power of nature. Because no matter how advanced humans become, nature will always be stronger. So the question still remains, was the Titanic disaster just an accident, Or was history trying to tell us something darker? If you enjoy historical mysteries, subscribe to HistoVerse for more stories from the past.